Do you want to turn your music track into a music video, a visually appealing music video? Well, then this video is for you because I'm going to reveal you today how you can convert your music file into a storyboard automatically with perfectly consistent character to create videos just like these that I'm showing you right now that gets millions of views every single month. This is on trend right now. This is super viral. This goes super viral in every category, in every genre, whether you talk about a Celtic song or a rock or just a normal background music, right? People are converting their 2 minute, 3 minute song into a music video and getting millions of views every single month. As you can see, this channel, for example, got 1.1 million views in the last 3 months. This channel got like 1.5 million views in 4 months by creating videos like these. Let me show you, right? Just a simple music, and there's and that visual content is the missing piece that I will be showing you today. So today I'll be revealing you how you can turn your music file. The music can be you can have that music generated from Suno, from Clone Voice, or any other AI tools. Take it, bring it to Artistly, and convert that into a perfectly consistent character storyboard that you can use to convert into a video to create these visually very appealing, amazing music videos that gain millions of views. Okay, so step number one, what you need to do is you need to come to Artistly and click to this create design. Okay, under that you go to fast AI image designer. Under that you see a design agent. Okay, now the only last step that you need to do here, one second, let me just show you. As you can see, oops, one second. All right, sorry, my my mouse haven't. Okay, anyways, so you come to design agents. Okay, then after that you will see a beautiful new feature called music storyboard, and this is gonna change your game forever. All you gotta do is drop in your music, right? Your Suno track or your clone voice music or any music you have. Okay, just drop in just like this, right? Now I wanted to convert it. I want to convert a Viking song that I've created in clonevoice.ai, and I wanted to convert it into a storyboard. Okay. Now what you need to do is you need to specify the style you want: a oil painting style, a Van Gogh style, ultra realistic, 3D, Pixar, animated, 2D. You get my point, right? Anime, Ghibli, all that, right? Let's say I do ultra realistic, right? That's it, guys. That's it. And you hit generate image. That is all. It will automatically understand your music, the song that you have created, understand the story, and write the prompts for you, design the scenes for you, and design those beautiful storyboard that you can literally take one by one, scene by scene, just like these. Look at this, right? Just like these, right? For scene one, scene two, scene three, scene four, all you gotta do is take these, go to videoexpress.ai or any video tool you use, right? Convert them to video, put them together, you get your music video. That is the power, right? This is the missing piece. The number one missing piece that we solved here is the perfect character consistency when it comes to realistic images, scene by scene. And you would have to waste like n number of hours, right? Finding the perfect from, then finding it for the second scene. Look at this, right? I just gave it a 2 minute song, right? Even less than a 2 minute song, and it created these beautiful scene by scene visuals for me. And I can see, right, if I click on this I button, I will see this is a scene number 2. If I click on this I button, this is a scene number 3. This is the seed number 4. This is the seed number 5, right? Just like these, you can click on bulk download. You can either download them, right? Or if you have videoexpress.ai, which is also one of our software, you can, by the way, I will show that step by step in the next video. So make sure you hit like and subscribe. But you can connect the API keys together, literally without even downloading it. Take all these images to that and just convert it into a video. You get a viral music video in just one click. And this is the power. This gives you that power that stops you from just getting that MP3 file to an actually viral worthy music video. So you can put your word out there, you can put your song out there without boring visuals, right? I hope you love this, right? If you do, let me know in the comment section. And one another thing I want to mention, okay, which is, if you don't have Artistly, I will put a link below. We have a special discount for you, so make sure you claim that special discount before it expires and get your hands on this amazing technology before it gets too late. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.